Hi friends, welcome to Mom's Magical Kitchen. Today we will learn how to make a snack variety with Moringa or Drumstick Flowers. What you see here is a Moringa or drumstick plant in our terrace garden. I planted it 6 months ago. For the last 4 months, we are using drumstick leaves and flowers for our daily kitchen needs. We mainly use them for evening tea, dal or lentil soup, parathas, spicy powder, and even in snack items like Vada. This time I got plenty of moringa flowers. So I decided to make an evening snack using them. Moringa plant has many nutritional qualities, not just the drumstick parts, the seeds, leaves, flowers, and even the roots are edible. These parts of the plant are a good source of multivitamins and also minerals like calcium, iron, phosphorus, and magnesium. It is also said to be the richest sources of plant-based protein on earth. Consumption of different parts of the moringa tree can help increase overall body resistance. Moringa flour vadas or dumplings are very healthy and tasty. I collected few bunches of flowers from the tree. Separate the flowers from stems. Wash them well. Take a blender jar. Add 1 cup of soaked chana dal. I soaked them for a couple of hours. Then add ginger, green chilli, 1 inch long cinnamon stick and few cloves. Coarsely grind them. Transfer this mixture into a bowl. Add cleaned and washed drumstick flowers to this mixture. Now add grated carrot, chopped onions, chopped coriander, curry leaves, cumin and salt. Mix all of them very well. All veggies have good water content, so no need to add water. If the dough is still in thin consistency, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of dry flour like besan, rice flour, etc. Otherwise, it will absorb too much of oil to fry. Now make the dough into small balls. Place them all in a plate. Next, take a dough ball. Gently press it between your palms. Adjust the edge to avoid cracks. Gently place it in hot oil. Here I am using cast iron pan. It helps to fry vadas evenly with less oil. Always fry vadas on low to medium flame. After 1 or 2 minutes, gently flip them and fry. When the vadas are turning into golden brown, remove from the pan. Serve them hot with any pickle or chutney. Hope you all like this recipe. Let me know your opinions in the comments section. If you like this video recipe, please like, share and subscribe. See you another time with another healthy and tasty recipe. Thank you for your time.